Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? Anong meron sa inyo today, no? So, yeah, another short reading tayo for today for the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, no? So, yeah, let's see. Anong message ng person nyo na naiisip nyo right now? And then, message from your inner self and of course, from universe, no? So, let's see. Anong message ng inyong person, no? Kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, no? Tignan natin. What's the messages, no? Ng inyong person. So, ano kaya ito? So, meron dito, I want to tell you how I feel, no? Maybe for some of you, this person is pwedeng hindi pa nagkakaroon ng relationship, no? Kasi hindi niya pa nasasabi kung ano yung nararamdaman niya for you, no? So maybe this person is hiding his or her true self, no? Yung totoong nararamdaman niya for you, earth signs, no? So yeah, ito yung sinasabi, no? Kung, I don't know if alam mo to, no? For some of you, but then syempre kung sino yung naiisip mo, no? So, ito yung message niya. Gusto niya sabihin yung nararamdaman niya for you, no? Pero, I don't know kung nasabi niya na ba ito, but then ito yung naiisip niya, no? So, and the other one is, I know I was a distraction from your pain. No? Oh, so yeah, no? Maybe for some of your earth signs, no? Maybe, meron kakagaling, take what's resonate lang kung sino lang makaka-relate dito. Ito lang yung medyo nakikita ko rito, no? So, for some of you, galing lang kayo sa isang heartbreak, no? For some of you. And then, there is this person around you, no? I don't know if this person is expressing na or nararamdaman nyo na tong tao na to na may gusto sa inyo, no? But then, hindi niya masabi yung totoong nararamdaman niya, no? Kasi, feeling niya makaka-distract siya sa pain na nararamdaman mo right now, no, baby? Because you are still healing pa, no, from the past relationship na pinanggalingan mo right now. So, ayaw niyang makaistorbo sa'yo right now, no? So, maybe this person is gusto niya mag-heal ka muna from the pain na nararanasan mo right now, no? So, maybe, yeah, you are in a healing process right now for some of you earth signs, no? So yeah, this person is just around the corner, no? Something like that, no? So, maybe this one is, I don't know kung if this is your friend, no? Maybe. Kasi, maybe, alam niya yung mga nangyayari kasi sa'yo, something like that, no? But then, ayaw niyang makaistorbo sa healing process mo, no? So, maybe, I think, hihintayin lang ni person na ito, no? Ng person na ito na mag-heal ka, earth signs, no? So, and then, after that, he or she will tell his true feelings for you, no? So, take what's resonate lang, no? Sino lang makaka-relate dito, earth signs, no? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, yeah, that's it, the message ng inyong person on your mind, no? So, yeah, this person is on your mind, so, kilala mo na rin to, right? No? So, this person is may gusto sa'yo, no? Ang haba ng hair ng ating earth signs, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message ng inyong inner self, earth signs, no? Kuha rin tayo rito ng 2 cards for you para sa message ng inyong inner self. So, tignan natin. You have this earth sign, you have wisdom, no? So, for some of you, no, maybe, ang sinasabi ng inyong inner self is, continue nyo lang kung ano tong magandang mga ginagawa nyo, no? For some of you, earth signs, no? Kumbaga, natutuwa sa inyo ang inner self nyo, no? Kumbaga, with this wisdom, no? You are full of wisdom. You can share your wisdom with the people around you. People who needs wisdom, you can share it, no? So, Maybe you are an advisor, no? Advisor. So for some of you, no, life coach, no? So you have a full you are full of wisdom. So sinasabi ng inner self mo to share those wisdom para makatulong sa ibang tao, no? So, yeah, that's it, 'di ba? Napakaganda, no? So, and the other one is what is magic, no? So, for some of you, sabi ng inyong inner self, you have the magic, no? Earth signs na you have this magical inner self na whatever you are thinking, whatever plans, goals, dreams, kayang-kaya mo yung abutin, earth signs, no? So, parang ito yung sinasabi sa iyo rito, no? Kaya mo, you have the power, you have all the tools, no? To make it happen, to make it come true, no? So, wag mawawalan ng kumaga, maniwala kayo sa sarili nyo, no? Na kaya nyong maabot kung ano man yung mga naiisip nyo, no? So, ito yung sinasabi, you have the magic, sabi ng inyong inner self, no? So, yun nga, kung magawag kayong panghihinaan ng loob dahil kayang-kaya mo gawin lahat, di ba? You have all the tools, you have this magic in yourself, no? So, be confident lang, no, sa iyong sarili. So, yeah, that's it, no? So, tignan natin naman anong message sa'yo ng inyong, ni universe, no? Ni God for you, no? So, earth sign, kuha rin tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, no? Para sa message ni universe sa'yo, no? Earth signs, no? So, parang napakaganda ng aura ng ating mga earth signs right now, no? Full of wisdom, magical, no? Right? No? So, let's see, ano ba tong message? So, yeah, di ba sabi ko sa iyo kanina, sabi ng iyong inner self, huwag kang mawala ng, kumaga, be confident, right? No? Kasi magagawa at magagawa mo, matutupad lahat ng gusto mo, right? No? Just focus, di ba, sa iyong goal, no? And with this card, hope on the horizon, no? Sabi sa iyo ni universe, sabi sa iyo ni God na yun nga, don't lose hope, 'di ba? It's mangarap ka hangga't kaya mo, 'di ba? Ang hope is just kumbaga ito makikita mo yung stars, 'di ba? Maybe for some of you literally lagi kayong natingin sa stars, no? Nagwi-wish kayo sa stars, no? So, huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa, no? Kahit na feeling nyo, for some of you, nagwi-wish kayo sa kawalan eh, something like that, di ba? Kapag tumitingin tayo sa kalawakan, di ba? Kalawakan sa sky, sa universe, right? No? Nagwi-wish tayo, something like that, no? Parang siguro for some, sa iba ay sasabihin, nagwi-wish ka ng parang wala lang, no? Because kumaga, it will give you hope eh, no? 'Di ba? Para for some of you, pag nagwi-wish kayo, mas nafe-feel nyo may pag-asa eh, no? And that's right, no? So, sinasabi sa ni universe, there is always hope, no? Kahit sa kawalan ka pa mag-wish, kahit saan ka mag-wish, wherever you are. 'Di ba? Because you have this magic in your self, no? In inner self, no? Within you. Kaya mong kaya mong matupad kung ano man yung pangarap mo sa buhay. Because kumbaga, meron kang will, meron kang eagerness sa sarili mo para gawin yun, right? No? So, wag ka lang mawawala ng pag-asa. Kumbaga, for some of you is nawawala ng confidence sa sarili na feeling hindi nila kaya. Pero ang ibang tao nakikita, si God, di ba? Kitang-kita niya yung potential mo. Kumbaga, ikaw lang, nawawalan ka lang ng tiwala sa sarili mo. But then, si God, hindi siya nawawalan ng faith sa'yo, no? So, yun ang sinasabi sa'yo, no? Huwag kang mawalan ng faith sa sarili mo na kaya mo yan, no? So, and the other one is, what is this? Perfect moments, no? So, sinasabi rin sa'yo dito ni universe, this is the perfect moment to pursue your dreams, no? To make it come true, no? So, kasi ikaw na to eh, nasa iyo na lahat ng tools, kayang-kaya mo na, ready ka na, 'di ba? So, gawin mo na. This is the perfect moment for you to start that journey, to start that dreams, to come true, right? No? So, earth sign. So, yan ang sinasabi sa iyo. Kumaga, be confident. Yun nga, paulit-ulit tayo yan, no? Be confident, no? So, yun, sinasabi sa iyo, di ba? Simulan mo na yung dapat mong simulan, no? This is the right time for you, no? Perfect moment for you to start whatever plans you are or whatever goals, dreams you want to pursue, no? Right? No? So, yeah, that's it, Earth signs, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa ating reading for today, no? For you, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, no? So, yeah, see you again sa next reading natin, and thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe sa ating channel to watch more videos like this, no? So, and yeah, God bless you all, and don't lose faith, no? Lalo na kay God, 'di ba? Ang laki ng tiwala sa inyo ni God, no? So, ikaw lang yung walang tiwala sa sarili mo, no? So, ngayon, alam mo na you are capable of everything, no? Earth signs, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, again, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you again, Earth signs, and yeah, thank you, Earth signs.